Today I am reviewing the BTU Window Air Conditioner unit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the biggest highlights of this BTU air conditioner is its perfect sizing for small spaces. With 5,000 BTU of cooling power, it provides just the right amount of cold air without overworking or wasting energy on larger spaces. This means it cools your room efficiently and quickly, making your environment comfortable even during hot summer days. Installation is often a headache with window units, but GE makes it easy with the included Easy Mount installation kit. The fixed chassis design fits well in most double-hung windows, specifically windows between 27.125 to 36 inches wide and 13.375 inches high. The package comes with everything you need to get the unit up and running without needing extra tools or professional help. When it comes to performance, this AC unit impresses with its quiet operation. Running at just 56 decibels, it's unobtrusive enough to use in bedrooms or offices where you need peace and quiet. Whether you're sleeping, working, or watching TV, the low noise level means the unit won't disturb your focus or rest. The GE Window Air Conditioner offers 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds. This allows you to customize how much cool air is delivered and how fast the fan blows, giving you control over your comfort level. The unit also includes 10 temperature settings, making it easy to dial in your ideal room temperature precisely. This kind of flexibility is great for adjusting to different weather conditions and personal preferences. An important feature for many users is the washable filter. This reusable filter is simple to remove and clean, helping you maintain optimal air quality and performance without the hassle of constantly buying replacement filters. Regular cleaning of the filter also helps keep energy consumption low, extending the life of your air conditioner. Environmentally conscious buyers will appreciate that this GE unit uses the R32 refrigerant, which has a lower environmental impact compared to older refrigerants. This means you're choosing a more eco-friendly option without compromising on cooling performance. While this unit doesn't have advanced features like a digital display or remote control, its simplicity is part of its charm. The manual adjustable fan and cooling settings mean it's straightforward and intuitive to operate, which is perfect for anyone who prefers no-fuss, reliable cooling. Overall, the GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner offers an excellent balance of power, efficiency, and quiet operation for smaller rooms. It's a trusted brand with a reputation for durable appliances, and the positive customer reviews reflect satisfaction with its performance and ease of use. If you want a compact, effective cooling solution that you can install yourself and depend on for the hottest days, this GE Window AC is a great pick. It keeps your small space comfortable without a lot of extra bells and whistles, and that's exactly what many people need for everyday use. To sum up, if you have a room under 150 square feet that needs cooling, the GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner offers solid cooling power, low noise, simple controls, and easy installation, all at a budget-friendly price.